Hi, I'm Judd Motz, and this is my presentation on Heidegger. In this presentation, I will assess three questions. 1. What role did Heidegger want the German university to play in the overcoming of nihilism and the revitalization of the German nation? 2. How were the faculty and students to be trained or adapted to this task? And finally, what are the connections between Heidegger's philosophy and his goals as rector of the University of Freiburg? To answer the first question, Heidegger wanted the German university to reassess the question of being, which he claims was skewed by Western civilization as a result of representation, such as truth, morality, and the good, overtaking the question of being. Heidegger saw the Nazi movement as a means of getting this point across, and thus having the university support this movement was one way it could contribute to the revitalization of the German nation. It's not that Heidegger was a die-hard supporter of the Nazi movement, but it was his only means of getting his philosophy across, attempting to overcome the negative side of nihilism, which promotes the forgetfulness of being, by exposing the positive side of nihilism, which is backed by a mystery and wonder of existence, as he puts it. Now, how are the faculty and students to be trained to this task? Heidegger answers this question by presenting the students with three bonds: labor service, which is based on the active participation of carrying burdens; military service, which is based on honor and destiny; and knowledge service, which is based on the spiritual mission of the German people, where leaders and guardians possess the strictest clarity of the highest, broadest, and richest knowledge, in Heidegger's words. So, what are the connections between Heidegger's philosophy and his goals as rector of the University of Freiburg? There are a couple. Firstly, Heidegger wanted to unify this university by bringing the question of being to the table, where each student would be motivated by the three bonds of labor, military, and knowledge service. Secondly, Heidegger wanted to find a medium through which he could facilitate his philosophy of being, and one way this was possible was by playing into the political makeup of the Nazi movement, and as friar, he held the power to influence his students in the same way. Thank you.